Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have an unboxing for you. This one comes from Artdot. Some of you may have already heard of them. If not, y'all should check them out. So this is my second or third Artdot, I believe. And their kits are poured glue and licensed, and right now they're all on sale. So let me show you what they have here. So they have their diamond paintings in this tube style packaging to prevent creases. The painting that I got, it's called Sunflowers in Twilight. Now they do have it like graded, I don't know, for beginner, advanced, and pro. When you go shopping on their site, you'll see you can pick which sizes. I'll get more into that in just a bit. So the tubing does have the preview of the painting. It also, gives you a little bit about diamond painting, what it includes. Let's see. Oh, and some basic instructions. So I personally love when diamond paintings come in these tubes. I use them for all sorts of things. Now, if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing if you enjoy, but also hit that notification bell because I have more stuff coming for you from Artdot, including some accessories, like a magnifying glass lamp and a storage solution for finished diamond paintings. Hey, so make sure you hit that notification bell. Those videos will be coming out shortly after this one. So we have the hard plastic lid here. Let's go ahead and see what else we have. We have the tool kit, which I'll get into, don't you worry. Let me see if I can get, there we go. It's packaged nice and tight in there. All right, do we have all the, yep, okay. I'm gonna put this over here. Hope everyone's having a good day. Okay, so right away the canvas looks nice and bright. We'll get more into that in just a second here. Maybe if it stops rolling on me. Let's take a closer look at their toolkit first. I think I see a diamond painting sticker in here. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Okay, so right off the bat here, oh my god, it is diamond painting stickers. They're little freeform stickers. Okay, so I have my washi tape here. Super cute. A nice, pretty blue glitter pen. Blue wax. Oh, and you have a squishy for the pen. Look at that. Anyway. And we have their custom Artdot trays. These are stackable. There's no lid, but look how neat that spout is. Well, it's not really the opening where you pour the drills back into the bag. So these are their free-form stickers. You can take your extra drills, because they give you about 30% more drills than you actually need to complete the canvas. So you can take those extra drills or, any extra drills you have and just kind of, you can do these whatever color you like on whatever symbols. Those are adorable. All right, let me go ahead and put this toolkit aside, and we are going to get further into the diamond painting here. Now, I did recently become an affiliate with Artdot, so check out my link and all of Artdot's information in the description below for more information on how to get a hold of them and whatnot, and purchase stuff for yourself. Okay. We have the stickers and the drills. We'll get more into that. I'm going to go ahead and flatten out this canvas. It looks vibrant and beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love it. And this is a 20 by 14 inches or 50 by 35 centimeters. It is a round drill. Now to flatten these canvases out, it is poured glue too. I just take one corner up like this and then put it right back down. It doesn't get it perfectly flat, but it does get it to lay down. So let me do that real quick on each of these corners. You don't have to pull it up too crazy far, just enough. Symbols look nice and clear. All done. Look how pretty it is. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll give us a closer look at the canvas as well towards the end after we look at the drills. So we do have two keys. We have a full key here with all the DMCs and the symbols along with over here on this side. So that's great. It says what shape it is, the size, it has their logo at the top here. And it looks like this kit comes with 40 colors. And these two symbols here are like a rainbowy color. I'm thinking that's gonna be an AB. And it looks like their symbols are pretty basic. Let's take a look at the sticker here that it came with. I really, really like the look of this sticker here. So you have your preview of the painting itself. Is that a sticker? Ooh, it is a sticker. It's a nice thick sticker too. Nice. Has the shape, size, and the SKU. Oh. So you have each individual symbol as a sticker here. It doesn't really say if they're ABs or not, but I'm gonna say, you know, the odd man out here, those are ABs, but you know, I don't know for sure. So they are individualized stickers that you can use on your containers when you go to kit up, and you can see how basic and nice these symbols are, y'all. Have you ever gotten those diamond paintings where the symbols are like, I don't know, different language symbols or things I don't know, crazy stuff that are hard to tell? These are nice and bold, clear symbols. I'm not mad at it at all. All right, I'm gonna set that over here and let's take a look at the colors. So this is the full layout here. And again, it's 40 colors total. Ooh, I already see 2 ABs, oh my gosh. I think it's like a gray or purple AB. I don't know. All right, how many strips we have here? There we go. Okay. Well, wrong way, of course. I always go the wrong way at first. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I do. There we go. Okay, so on the packaging here, let's see. This, okay, so it's $9.70, and it's like an orange color. We have 987, 992, 993. Really pretty. Ooh, look at these blues. 995, and it looks like we have 1, 2, 3 packages of 996, 3078, 3326, 3608, yep, 3814, pretty green, 3838, 3840, 3842, 3843, 3846. That's a lot of blues, holy moly. It's like in the sky and behind the flowers too. 3855, and look at these ABs, oh my gosh. I don't know, I'm so sorry. I just squeaked there like a, I don't know, a mouse or something. So we have a really pretty yellow AB. It's 307. So cute. And 3747. So we will look at the other colors here. So yeah, the rainbow symbols are the ABs. And it looks like those symbols are 2. We'll find out where the ABs are in just a second. Let's just go ahead and go through this one so then we can put it all back. Yeah. Oh, we have another AB. What? What? So there's like 3 ABs. This one is 208. It was hidden at the top here. There is 2 ABs. Y'all, listen to me. I bet y'all were watching this and you're like, no, there's 3. There is 3. Look, 1, 2, 3 ABs. I think I was saying 2. Anyway, here's the other one. It's like purpley. It's so pretty. And then we have 209, 333. Y'all, purple's my favorite color, and these are so cute. 336, 550, 601, 603, 605, 720, 741, 799, 809, 818. Ooh, there we go. 819, 820, 829, 890, 902, 918, 920. Looks like we have another little one here too. Oh, well, these are chopped full. So we also have 725. Oh, 2 big old bags of 725. I bet these are the flowers if I were to make an educated guess. And then 2 bags of 972, the oranges. All right, let's take a closer look at the canvas. I'm gonna zoom you in here. There we go. So as you can see, these symbols, if my camera focuses, oh my gosh, These symbols are nice and clear. You do have the ring around each symbol, which some people like, some people don't. But the black line that makes the circle isn't super bold. Like these 6s don't even have the black line, only some of the numbers do. That's odd. So that just means you have to kind of watch your placement to make sure, you know, you don't have the line showing on your completed work. So we get into the sky here. It looks like it's some confetti, but not anything super crazy. That's really, really pretty. So you kind of have a mixture between, you know, color blocking and confetti, which most people like myself. I like a little bit of a mix. I don't like a ton of confetti because then I get tired of switching colors, and I don't like color blocking because I get bored of the same color over and over again, right? So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can quickly find where these ABs are going to go. So the first one we have is 208, and that is the Q symbol. Where is the Q? So it looks like the Q is the purple one. It's going throughout the sunset here. That's pretty. Then we have the number 2, and then these like white 4 dots. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see where the white is. I'm looking. This is like an Easter. Oh, here we go. So the white, the lighter AB, the bluish one, is in the sky. Purplish, bluish one. And then the other, the yellower one, is in all the flowers. Yep, pretty. So ABs are nice and distributed throughout. This isn't a huge canvas. I love it. The back of the canvas is that super soft material. Can you hear that? I love it. I hate those plasticky feeling kind of ones. They drive me nuts. So it's not gigantic, like I said. It's 50 by 35. Make sure you tune in for that video where I show where you can put your completed diamond paintings, because this is going to fit right in there. So excited. So just a little bit about Artdot. Check out the links in my description. Make sure you use my affiliate link so you get a discount and I get a kickback. Whoop whoop. But yeah, they also have some stuff on Amazon, but I think you get more of a discount if you use my link down there. And right now their diamond paintings are on sale. So let me tell you a little bit about the sizes. So we talked about how this was an advanced kit, I think is what it said. Let me refer back to the box here. Let me see. There we go. Yes. So you have 2 or 3 options: beginner, advanced, pro. So at first I kind of thought that was a little wonky, but the sizes work out. They don't have images picked out that would look bad if you did pick beginner. But when you hear the price difference, it sounds like the advanced one, this is going to look just fine. I could tell, right? So let me just tell you a little bit about it. So for this canvas specifically, and I did look through a few other ones, it seems like they're all the same size for beginner, advanced, and pro. They don't have a ton of selection, but they are getting more. Their artwork is licensed. This is poured glue with the velvet canvas. And if you were to get this image in the beginner size, that size would be 35 by 25 centimeters. And right now on sale, that one's only $9.90. That's before my discount too, so yeah, check that out. This is advanced, so it's 50 by 35 centimeters, and the pro is 70 by 50 centimeters. So that's awesome. And each of their diamond painting kits come with 2 or 3 ABs. So they have them spread out perfectly. Like I said, there's not a ton of variety with diamond painting kits right now, but they are getting more. I did check. They're licensed. They also have other things like diamond painting storage and different accessories, which I will be unboxing a few more, like I said. So yeah, definitely check them out with the links below. I hope you all enjoyed. I know I'm going to enjoy working on this one a lot. And yeah, if you're new, subscribe and hit the thumbs up on your way out. I hope you all have a very good rest of your day. Bye, everyone.